Hey, boys and girls. Okay, so for today's Sharing with Partners Writers Workshop, we're going to go over our writing inspiration board again. Okay, so remember when you have this writing inspiration board at home, and you can always look at it to get some ideas to inspire you on your next writing, right? Well, another way that you can get inspired is by your partner. Okay, so you can say, hey, I'm having trouble thinking of something to write about. Do you have any ideas? And then your partner can share their writings that they have in their folder and say, "Yeah, sure. Look, this is what I've written about." And then they can show you all their ideas, and you can once you see it, be like, "Oh yeah, you know what? Let me write something like that." Okay, so you can even your partner can be your mom, it can be your dad, it can be your brothers and sisters, okay, your cousins, anybody around you that you can share your ideas with or talk to, okay, talk to and ask for help to come up with an idea to inspire you to write. Okay, so for today, I want you to just share with a partner and try to get some ideas or share ideas. Okay, all right, boys and girls, bye.